If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know must split them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Yeah, yeah man, yeah man, yeah. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the tool and so for you see the face I hear the voice and you don't know see a Cogency. Pon the Cogency Rocks channel. And today we have Abra, Cadabra, a unknown T with double tap. Now my sister Dizzy get upload 2 hours ago. I never seen a preview or anything, but I haven't really been on social media like that. Which is kind of my fault, but also not my fault, bro. I'm not really like a big social media scroller like that. Like I just go on, look for what I'm looking for, and that's it, bro. Once I'm done, I'm done. I'm not going back on it. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, this day I know, someone don't want to waste too much time. I want to jump in at this and react. Someone can upload it and, you know what I'm saying, drop it for no. But you don't know. Road to 2K, we're at 1.8. So if you're seeing this, hit that subscribe button for me, please. Hit that like button. Get into the comments. I reply to all the comments. And I reply to all my DMs on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram too. All those links will be in the description. But you don't know. Cogency. And let's jump into this. Mine. Man, them icy. OFB. Hey, Abs, what that look like you get fat, so dog? Abs, I take the rap money and I buy beer, burger.
No. Take y'all go body or D like dream though. I can and deep throw, gal let me love my amigos. Be an airborne juice to the mash man, keep close so come clean, looking like double D rolls. Fling that coon, keep that on the D-low. If ain't a hand thing, I swing my shank. Whoosh, man, chop that like a kilo. Got that drop so the up got pre-roll. Whoosh weren't me, I don't know, that's a G-code. Baby girl, wine up here, that's my free code. Bumper come big like my ego.
Oh, no. I was going to let them flow for a little more before I start it over. But fuck no, fam, I'm mad. That flow, bumper come, like, the bumper come big like my ego. What? Fam, no bumper can big like my ego, bro. My ego is massive.
No. Take y'all go body or D like dream though. I can and deep throw, gal let me love my amigos. Be an airborne juice to the mash man, keep close so come clean, looking like double D rolls. Fling that coon, keep that on the D-low. If ain't a hand thing, I swing my shank. Whoosh, man, chop that like a kilo. Got that drop so the up got pre-roll. Whoosh weren't me, I don't know, that's a G-code. Baby girl, wine up here, that's my free code. Bumper come big like my ego.
Hey, the sweet ones, man. Hey, listen, man. I've been going back and forth with this thing, man. I'm not sure if I should be pausing on the sweet ones as much, or if I should just say, man, fuck the sweet ones, man. Because the sweet ones don't care about us, bro. They don't care about us. You know what I'm saying? We got to care about ourselves first. Yeah, man, so fuck the sweet ones, man, but we all shit that twerk that while ago, bro. I just gotta say, I just gotta see that one more time.
The D-low, if ain't a hand thing, I swing my shank. Whoosh, man, chop that like a kilo. Got that drop so the up got pre-roll. Whoosh weren't me, I don't know, that's a G-code. Baby girl, wine up here, that's my free code. Bumper come big like my ego. If he don't run when I bang this smash, then they're gonna have to find doctors like Nemo. Leave with it, leave his life on zero. You don't see the boom come big like Debo. Spin that, ying that.
And I just rewatched Friday the other day, no, bro. Fam, I ain't gonna lie. I thought Ice Cube was going off that motherfucker, fam. When the nigga had the shit like this and then they did the little flashback of what happened if he did do it. Whoo, if you don't watch Friday, you don't know what I'm talking about. So get the fuck off, man. You young niggas, man, y'all don't know shit, bro. But anyway, bro, D-Boy is a big-ass motherfucker, fam.
Leave with it, leave his life on zero. You don't see the boom come big like Debo. Spin that, ying that. Drilling my Air Force Ones and pin that. I ain't got time for no chick chat. I come from Piddleback days, Rambo on my ridgeback. Big machine in my hand and it's full to the brim. You don't hear no click clack straight. But when I click that, aiming for death, we don't do no tic-tac. The man they scream when they hear that bullet. Shoulders ass gap, get the gear them pull it. Man love squeeze when I back shot, gal make a bitch sound foolish. Been a back like the back of the whap. Heard a man ain't no brand as a man. Double tap if they lack. Yo, this thing tastes nice, it's the grandma.
Oh, man, Jesus Christ, pull that down.
My hand and it's full to the brim, you don't hear no click clack straight. But when I click that, aiming for death, we don't do no checks.
See the man they scream when they hear that bullet. This ass cat get the gear them bullet. Man love squeeze when I bash your gal, make a bitch sound foolish. Been a back like the back of the whap. Heard a man ain't no blind as a man. Double tap if they like. Yo, this thing is nice as the sound.
Chilly with a dot, swag that double tap. Chilly with a Glock, whack that double tap. Put weed in a gal, whack that double tap. Double tap, double tap, double tap.
Double tap.
Chilly with a dot, swag that
Double tap.
Chilly with a Glock, whack that
Double
double tap.
tap.
Put weed in a gal, whack that
Double tap.
double tap, double tap.
Double tap.
So then she gets up, block, cut, double tap. Take it, girl, wind up and shake, double tap. Baby nines or dot, dots, double tap. Beat the kumpa like his face, double tap. So then she gets up, block, cut, double tap. Take it, girl, wind up and shake, double tap. Baby nines or dot, dots, double tap. Beat the kumpa like his face, double tap.
Skin get burnt when we grip on the iron, it's cool man's flying. Anything we capture on there is intensive care minimum. Medalist try me if I'm lying. They talk real tough, but their man ain't sliding, gliding. Why their man love hiding? Enough man been bun round them sides, all of them man ain't trying. Grab the weapon, elevate it. Full clip in a dance, any celebration. Browning, look sharp for the penetration. Face down, ass up, that's celebration. She see the cashin, just keep coming. If you see me with a machine, just keep running. If you don't do the dasheen, man done it.
Bill it on the back street, it's the heat we applying. Pump a ting, rock off and shake while you're whining. Pass the hand thing for the base, did an iron. For the CID's finger tape, it's sirens, roach and a rake indictment. Fuck that, up block, trip, creep up, keep trying. Roll us a place we buying. She won't drop these cause you need verifying. Bumper cause damage, whack, whack. Pull up, twit, then reverse it, block it down, twist up your waist for the man. Cock it round, bring out the ray for the phantom. If they BT from far high knees, grip a gauge, go catch them. Don't be beep, you can face that random. The beef's too peak, girl, I can't give beat, that she wanna give that.
Chilly with a dot, swag that double tap. Chilly with a Glock.
Bro, guys, I don't know what to say to you right now, bro. The nigga was flowing and I'm like, alright, he might do the chorus now. The nigga just kept flowing, blood. Fam, T is disgusting, dog. Listen to this, bro. Even that last part before him start, Alb's last part before him start, this is 10 out of 10. I don't even have to finish the song for tell it says a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Bun round them sides, all of them man ain't trying. Grab the weapon, elevate it. Full clip in a dance, any celebration. Browning, look sharp for the penetration. Face down, ass up, that's celebration. She see the cashin, just keep coming. If you see me with a machine, just keep running. If you don't do the dasheen, man done it.
Bow.
Bill it on the back street, it's the heat we applying. Pump a ting, rock off and shake while you're whining. Pass the hand thing for the base, did an iron. For the CID's finger tape, it's sirens, roach and a rake indictment. Fuck that, up block, trip, creep up, keep trying. Roll us a place we buying. She won't drop these cause you need verifying. Bumper cause damage, whack, whack. Pull up, twit, then reverse it, block it down, twist up your waist for the man. Cock it round, bring out the ray for the phantom. If they BT from far high knees, grip a gauge, go catch them. Don't be beep, you can face that random. The beef's too peak, girl, I can't give beat, that she wanna give that.
Chilly with a dot, swag that double tap. Chilly with a Glock, whack that double tap. Put weed in a gal, whack that double tap. Double tap, double tap, double tap. Chilly with a dot, swag that double tap. Chilly with a Glock, whack that double tap. Put weed in a gal, whack that double tap. Double tap, double tap, double tap, double tap.
So then she gets up, block, cut, double tap. Take it, girl, wind up and shake, double tap. Baby nines or dot, dots, double tap. Beat the kumpa like his face, double tap. So then she gets up, block, cut, double tap. Take it, girl, wind up and shake, double tap. Baby nines or dot, dots, double tap. Beat the kumpa like his face, double tap.
Bro, I'm going mad. Fam. Energy in this song is mad, fam. Energy in this song is disgusting.
Lean with it. Lean with it. Lean with it. Show. Gangland. We got hammers like West Ham Taxman. You don't wanna see the gang vex, man. Pull up in 2-litre dingers and press that. Bad man from the farm estate in jet black. Sighting me up and cleft that. It can be a good dude or a bad boy from up block. Lord knows I can't left that. If I hop out the ride and buck.
Man say it could be a good youth or a bad boy and up block. I can't left that. No, bro. Leave the good youths alone.
Does that pull when I fling that? Rise a mass upwards like Simba. Guns up, make it fall down like timber. Box on a block, grab that, fill it up. Up block, no side.
Yeah, before it go switch to the next video, bro. From my reaction, if you couldn't tell, I'm gonna tell you. 10 out of 10, bro. 10 out of fucking 10. Double tap, we got the hook, we got the beat, we got the energy, we got the flows and bars and video. And the sweet thing in the video where me even have to stop and say, yo, stop caring about the sweet things because the sweet ones don't care about us. Listen, bro. Madness going on right now. 10 out of 10. Whew. Bro, me have to go calm down after the audio. You see me? So please, hit the comments. Tell me what you think about it. Road to 2K. We're at 1.8 right now. So if you're seeing this and your subscribe button still red, hit that subscribe button for me, please. Hit that notification bell. Hit that like button. As I said, jump in the comments, bro. I reply to all the comments. I want to see what y'all think about this, bro, because this is mad. You see me? And I reply to all my DMs as well. So follow me on Instagram. I don't know. Cogency, and I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace.
Yeah. Cause when the girl them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round to